Will AI take your job? You're not alone if you're worried. Around 4% of the workers worry about their job be taken place by AI or similar technology in near future. According to a recent CNBC survey, younger work from age 18 to 24 are more worried. Up to 52% expressed the concern. Dario Amodei, the chief executive of Anthropic, recently vocalized that AI could replace as many as half of entry-level white-collar jobs in the next 5 years. Michael Kaufman warned his employee, "The harsh truth is AI is coming for your job, no matter what." And according to McKinsey, by 2030, 14% of the employees are expected to have been forced to change their career because of AI. Millions of people are going to lose their job to AI. And let's not sugarcoat it. But here is the truth. Nobody's saying it loud enough. It is not AI replace you. It is the people who know how to use AI better than you will replace you. If you are still waiting to adapt, you are already behind. But if you are ready to lean in and learn, there has never been a bigger opportunity. Your job isn't to beat AI. It is leverage it. If this is your first time to this channel, welcome. My name is Celine Xu, with over 11 years experience in data science and AI. One of my missions is to help people, especially those concerned about not having enough data and technology skills, harness the power of AI and data in an effective way to create more enjoyable and fulfillable life. Be sure to subscribe and more to come. Let's get into it. I'm breaking down 3 specific skills that everyone having a 9-to-5 job grounding in business need to master in 2025. These are the skills that are making better work performance, increasing productivities, and freeing you up time for work you're really enjoying or having high impact. Skill number 1, how to talk to AI or large language model effectively to get what you want. Master the prompt engineering. There are 2 types of people. One tried AI once, used prompt, write me a LinkedIn post about AI trends, then complain about the quality of the result and never try second time. Or 2, always curious how to work with AI, while AI is better than themselves, and find a way to let AI support them better. It's like a business manager try to ask an opinion from a tech or financial specialist, but not sure which question to ask. In this situation, what things will you do? Learn how to communicate, understand what the better question to stimulate the expected output, right? Or imagine you have a high potential intern in your team. You want to motivate him or her to help you execute a special task you're good at but not really want to do anymore. How will you do it? The same for talking with the AI or large language model. Prompt engineering sounds complicated, but it is natural. Just imagine using English to guide a high specialized new colleague to execute the task together. The basic logic is always the same. First, assign a specific role to it. Use something like act as a senior market strategist with 10-year experience. Or, you are a strategic consultant specialized in luxury goods branding, so on and so forth. Second, define the task in a detailed way. Creating LinkedIn posts that start with a conversation about. Then, by searching for credible report from big consulting firms or research institute published within 2025. Then, summarize the key points with necessary detail in a professional and warm tone. 3. Specify the output. Use a hook question at the beginning, 3 bullet points, and then with a call to action. The better of your prompt, the better of your result. Practice. Pro tip. I ban overuse abstract words like devolve, leverage, cutting edge. Instead, I give more detailed instruction like, first summarize the main points, Then find out the logic between each argument. Then, please create a plan by using and give me top 5 most ranked characteristic showing the technology advancement. It is better to build reusable, humanized prompts, give more context, and be more specific. The most important thing is describe in a clear manner what the result you want, in what format, for what purpose, which things you don't want included. I will attach 3 video links below from other channel which I get inspired about prompt engineering skill for information. Prompt engineering is a skill. You need to try, you need to fail, and learn. Practice make perfect. When you practice enough, you will not need to remember those rules. Skill number 2. Automate the tasks that repeat frequently or the tasks you want to outsource. Try to think, how could you automate yourself out of job? Remember, you are not compete with AI, but the person use AI better than you. To execute automation, you do not need to be a coder or an engineer anymore. Leverage no-code tool available in the market. More importantly, you need to have a good understanding of your workflow, the standard operation procedure, best practice in the market, and your decision-making value framework. I'm using Make.com and Azure Automation for work daily, and try out Claude and NAN in the last 2 months. Really amazed. Why not create the workflow support you as you have a whole team which available 24/7? And then who can replace you? More advanced version will be you can create your AI personal assistant or AI domain specialist. Have you ever dreamed to have a personal AI assistant trained on your speaking style, your client briefs, and your product data or industry information, ready to give you answer, generate content, and support you for meetings and presentations? Or have you ever come across a total new area you need to make a decision quickly, but you couldn't find anyone to turn to at that moment? Customer GPTs, Claude projects, or Perplexity Life can mimic specific writing style, basic domain knowledge, collecting most common or important industry news and data, or easily identify relevant data to synthesize a presentation draft just in 1 to 2 hours. It's not a dream anymore. Those work used to be need teams work for weeks. That's what we called real leverage. I've automated my work. For example, monthly product portfolio analysis and reporting by using R, social media content scheduling by using Make, AI product funnel request verification and classification, and new member onboarding process by using Azure Automation. I've built assistant for specific work tasks, such as create brief or post, to help me become an expert in a new domain just in few hours. I have created 4 other videos showing you how I leverage different AI tools in my daily life for inspiration. We'll link below. As a start, you should not focus on what tool you will use, but think through which task you want to automate it. I want to initiate a simple mindset change to let you know you do not need to do everything yourself. Leverage automation. Take away those low-impact, boring, repetitive tasks. Free yourself to focus on what really matters and what you really enjoy. So start to ask yourself, what part of my daily routine or work I can automate? Then automate it. Do not afraid of lacking of tech skills. Try it. You will make it. I did it 12 years ago. You can also. Give yourself more time. Try, fail, learn, and shift the mindset and practice. Important warning, only upload data you can safely share and make your own judgment and creation. AI is just assistant. It is not your brain or your thoughts. Skill number 3, know when to use AI and when not to. This one is subtle, but critical. AI is good at speed, structure, and surface-level content, but it's not going to invent your strategy. It's not going to find the real insight buried in your niche, and it's not going to replace your creativity, intuition, and experience. Your job is to know where to let AI take the wheel and where you need to show up with your original thinking. Use AI for research, rapid learning, and boring tasks. I treat AI as a high-speed assistant for writing, for research, for content creation. Let AI sort through the data, summarize the posts, scrape forums, and I still in control. I'm the one pull the insights that matters and make the conclusion based on my perspective. Remember, you own your idea and decisions. AI amplifies the human insights, doesn't replace it. The AI era, success doesn't go to those who are the best at what they already know. It goes to those who adapt the faster. They become the new baseline. Here's what separates the success from failure: knowing when to let AI take the wheel and when you need to drive. What you need to remember: AI can take away repetitive work and refine the style, but you must build your own skill irreplaceable. The quality and effectiveness of AI output are directly tied to your knowledge, your imagination, and your skill to communicate and steering AI. Leverage AI to stimulate, test, and refine ideas faster, like having a mini employee. Leverage AI for tasks you don't care deeply about, while reserving your own creativity and energy for what matters the most. In the end, 4 bonus tips for you. Number 1, do not overwhelming in the number of AI tools. New AI tools launch daily. The market is saturated with opinion promise revolutionize your workflow. But 90% of AI tools do the same thing with different branding. The winner aren't chasing every shiny tool. They pick few great ones and master them deeply. Knowing 50 tools means nothing if you can't drive the result with any of them. Master a tool that solves real problem for you. I summarize my toolkit in the description below for information. Second, cultivate your human superpowers. AI is great with data, but not with emotional intelligence, ethics, or interpersonal communication. That's why I teach my child these skills. Focus on what AI can't replace. Go deep in one skill, but broad across field. Academic knowledge is now less valuable. What matters is the ability to connecting ideas, connecting doubts. Know one thing deeply, plus understanding how to leverage AI, culture, communication. This makes your term multiple more valuable. 3, commit to continuous learning. The World Economic Forum says 50% of employees will need to reskill. Skills have shorter life cycle now. Take a course, it's useful only for 2 months, not 2 years. Be ready to move faster and adapt constantly. And last, keep curiosity and willingness to try. Your mindset is a skill. You are more ready than you think. The AI revolution isn't coming. It is already here. Now it is a time to experiment. Start small, stay curious, and use AI to amplify your impact. If this video offers you something valuable, please click that subscribe button and share this with someone who needs to level up. Drop a comment below. What is the first AI skill you are going to master? Stay sharp, stay curious, and I'll see you in next one. Thank you.